about to get an IV drip done by Youth Fountain, and I'm also gonna get fat dissolving injections because the girl's been eating and it's not cute. So I'm doing my arms and my tummy as well. Which drip am I getting? Autoimmune. Please tell us what the benefits are.
Autoimmune, it reduces inflammation, reduces muscle and joint pain, promotes the sleep, circulation, concentration, helps with the stress and anxiety, and it also helps with migraines.
Oh, okay.
And it boosts your immune system. You've got to put the glutathione, which is an antioxidant that we're using for skin regions and to detox your system.
I love that. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave their handles on screen so that you can find them on social media as well as their contact details. It's time to get revitalized. Guys, we're doing my arms now. We just did my stomach. My stomach was so sore. I don't know why, but my stomach was so sore. My arms, like, it's just a small pinch. So please. This is what I'm having for supper. Seafood boil from Dirty Lobster. Looks
Dirty
yummy.
Lobster?
And I'm having it with some mixed berry juice.
And also
I'm waiting to go into a Zoom meeting, as you guys can see, and I'm joined by my favorite
and also
person.
guys, here it's hanging out.
It's crab legs, baby.
Yeah, crab
Do you like
legs.
seafood boil?
Yeah.
Was it your first time having it?
Uh-huh.
How was it? Give it a review out of 10.
It was delicious.
It was delicious.
Let me taste it.
You can taste some, my angel. It's calamari. Do you like it? It's okay.
Let's go.
She's like, yeah. What was your favorite part?
This onions.
Yummy. We get it tonight until you see. Yes, yo, Beyonce, that challenge has in a chokehold. Morning, my loves. Darling, could you guys mind? I just want to like talk to my loves a little bit. You know what I mean? I need to talk to them about this vlog. Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know I'm saying that. Welcome to day 2 of this vlog. It is currently 10 to 11. I am going to shower now because I will be leaving for the hair salon at 11:30 to go do my hair and makeup for my Valentine's Day shoot. You guys are gonna see all the behind the scenes. This is what I wear to shower. For those who are curious how I shower, this is how I shower. My physiotherapist gave me this in hospital so that I don't wet my...
Sorry.
So
Did I disturb them?
no, it's okay. So that I don't wet my my bandage and my cast. It's not really a cast, but yeah.
So that it doesn't get itchy.
Yeah, so it doesn't get wet. Do you wanna come say hi to the loves?
Hey guys, welcome to my sister and my video. So today, my mom is busy and we are just here and it's load shedding again.
I know, again. I feel like every time I pick up the camera, the lights go off.
Yeah.
But that's fine because we are the light, right? Period. High five. Lovely. Alright, I'm gonna go shower now.
Yeah, you can.
And then I'm gonna catch up with you guys as I pack my things. I took out everything I need to pack last night and I put it in the PJ lounge. So that, and I packed like, I packed most of my stuff. I just haven't packed my shoes and my blazers. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Yeah, I'm gonna get going, y'all. Toodles.
When it's late dinners and black printers, after show, after party, orange juice and Bacardi. I'm old enough, I made enough to move to Abu Dhabi, and who could stop? Yeah. Old friends come. Past tense, back when I was irrelevant, it's evident. Everybody not made for the night. I wouldn't trade it for the world. I'm 21 now. 21. Everybody wanna be my guy, yeah. And my girl too. I wouldn't trade it for the world.
Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. My body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you.
Hey loves, so I'm done showering. As you guys can see, I'm dressed and now I'm gonna go get ready to go do my hair and makeup. I have to be there at 12. It's like 22.
Can't beat it, can't beat it, can't beat it, can't beat it with the big bad dough. Can't see it with this bitch black Gucci frames on. Let me take your bitches off, let me get the full scope. Hold up, full screen HD. Let me take another picture, let me pull it to the pre-show. Oh, cool beans, that's a whole lot of reefer. Let me help you with the pre-roll. You drink up all my liquor, come on, what I'm supposed to do now? And you talking all that shit, now come on, you gon' have to back it up. If I get too high now, sugar, come on, I might never come down, I might never come down, never come down, let me get down. You never come down, let me get down. Hey, you never come down, let me get down. Come on, you never come, let me get down. Hey, you never come down, let me get down. You may never come down.
I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way.
Guys, I'm on set. As you guys can see, I'm with my people, Kimmy, KG, Aura on the lens. You know what I'm saying? I'm so excited, guys. This content's gonna be so dope. I can't stop grinning like a child in a candy store. But yeah, I'm really excited.
Work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, man, tap, 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 tap. Drive me, I desert you. No time to have you lurking. You make a back, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration.
Oh my loves, it is 1:10. I am tired. It's definitely time for me to sleep. What a long day. It actually wasn't a long day. I was just putting a lot of pressure on myself to get things done, and I'm glad I did because I had to get them done, and tomorrow's another day of work, which is really exciting. But I'm also very nervous because my foot was really sore after today, so tomorrow I have to make sure that I don't step on my foot. So in preparation for the event, I have to use my crutches. And then I can switch to one crutch on the red carpet and then go back to 2 for the rest of the evening when there's no more pictures. Excuse me, but yeah, I'm tired but I'm not sleepy. Does that make sense? Does that happen to anyone? Do you ever get tired but not sleepy, Niza?
Tired by not sleeping.
Tired but not sleepy.
Yes.
Nah?
Yeah.
Is that how you feel now?
That's how I felt 2 years ago, remember? When I had my sleeping problems, I'd be exhausted.
But
and
you
I'd
wouldn't
get to
be
bed.
sleepy. What can I take to sleep? Don't you have like Allergex?
I have the non-sleepy allergies.
Oh, boring.
What about my sleeping pills in there? But be careful of those.
Do you have
things.
sleeping pills?
Yes.
Where are they? Jackpot.
Are you crying?
Me no. When I yawn, my eyes water. What are they called?
Cira something with the CIR.
How does the box look? I don't see them. Oh, are these sleeping pills? Prolonged release. Beautiful. How many should I take?
Those are like sleeping drugs.
How many should I take? One to
Take
two.
one.
Why not two?
Mihlali, yay. Who's about to drug? Actually, I want to try that thing one more
Should I
time.
take 5?
You wake up on Christmas. Can you just pass me a bottle of water?
I wanna be where you've been, where I've been. It's actually so bad that I'm drinking pills with Coca-Cola.
When last this pill? Yo, when last?
Anywho, good night, my dolls. Sleep well. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning, loves. Welcome to day 3 and the final day of this vlog. Today it is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Agenda for today: Sun HD, hair and makeup, style awards, red carpet, glamour, uber glam, dare to be red, darling. As you guys know, I was a winner of Style Award in 2019. So since then, obviously, as part of the Style Awards alumni graduate, I am invited to every single Style Award ceremony. I've been invited to every single Style Award ceremony for the past couple of years. I actually have not attended one post my receiving my award. Yeah, this is my first time. Last time I think I was traveling. The other time I don't know what happened. I don't know if I got ill suddenly right before, but I had to cancel. So yeah, it's been a while. So I'm excited to grace the red carpet again. And funny enough, when I won the award in 2019, I was wearing red, and today I'm wearing red again. So yep. Hey mom.
So, guys, my sister hair dyed her hair with a wig red.
Yesterday they saw it.
And,
Did you like the red? Thank you, my angel.
and it had a ponytail.
I'm gonna keep that wig for you.
Long ponytail.
So when you're a big girl, it can be yours, okay? Should I keep it for you? Okay, I'll keep it. I'm sure there'll be better wigs by then, but...
And the other wigs will be all for you.
I have a part 2 of my vlog. So I'm gonna upload that. It is prep for my trip. Guys, my content is just so delayed with load shedding. My editor's struggling to work. It's just a mess. And I already... Yes, baby, it's called a viewfinder. I already gave him all the footage and I deleted it, so I can't even like step in and edit myself. When it comes to that, I can only my cousin, yes, I can only edit new content, which really sucks. Miss B, please will you go to my camera bag and get my reading glasses? Can you do that for me, my love? Thank you.
I am a
In there. In there on the ottoman, you'll see a camera bag. Leo, leave Puma.
Leo, come here. Leo.
You're such a terror. No, in the bedroom. In the bedroom, baby, not in the office. Camera bag on the side pocket, there's glasses.
First, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. You was something in love, you not gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like that's a rose, I feel like that's a rose. Let's get loyal, yeah, I need loyal. I feel like that's a rose, I feel like that's a rose. Yeah, let's loyal, yeah, I need loyal. So, the self-destruction. You was talking in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I never been so far, let's get lost. Yeah, I need it so